Hi, we have Brandon Sharper, our product concierge. He's going to talk to you today about streaming music through your phone.
Correct. So, what we are going to do is Bluetooth our music from our phone to your vehicle. So, the first thing that you want to make sure is that your phone is paired. And the easiest way to tell, if you look at your command screen, they should have the bars with your phone provider in the top corner. Mine is Sprint. So that's how you can tell that your phone is connected. The second thing that you want to do from your command is just select your media button. This is going to be your easiest way to get over to your Bluetooth mode. Right now you can see that we are at your FM. So we need to switch over to media mode. Push your media button and now you have switched over. As long as your phone is paired, it will connect your phone via Bluetooth audio. From this point, you just go to your cell phone and just select your music. I'm going to play mine from Spotify. And once you push play on your Spotify app or whichever app you want to use for your music will now start playing.